there's incredible polarization where we don't talk to anybody that is on the other side, which whatever the other side means. We can't change the other people. We can't change the people who are the them politically, whoever the them is. And we have to give up on that. The new hope that I'm working on is that I can't change the other, but I can change the dynamic. I can change the dance by my being different in some way, taking a different perspective. It changes the whole thing. How can we make focusing conversation where we are all participating together, where we're a network, we're a web, rather than the leader and the followers? In a way, the conversation is a new kind of it, something that we developed here that will never happen again and never has happened before. The focusing attitude of being receptive to the other and being receptive to a difference and being receptive to ideas that we hate or don't like or disagree with. Carrying forward the conversation is going to that implicit level and saying something from there, saying something from here, asking into what is that like? Or can you say more about that? The conversation has a life of its own and it builds us. And that's so important to remember. It has us. It's forming us. It's bringing us alive.